Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys hidden codes in Android phones, in every Android phones. So let's go ahead. Go to your phone. When you enter this code, it's going to show you the phone information, the Wi-Fi, the data, your battery, everything about the phone. It's going to show you everything about the phone. You can update it whenever you want to update. You can run some tests. You can run some tests on the phone. There's another one too. I'm going to show you another. When your phone gets stolen, when your phone gets stolen and you want to block it, just enter this code. So, and click on OK. And do you know that in every Android phone there's a hidden game inside it? The way for you to find this game, you have to go to the settings, scroll up to see system, click on it, scroll, go to about phone, click on Android version, double click on it until it comes. This is how mine looks like. This is how mine looks like. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.